Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Monday.com as a powerful CRM for your small business. If you've been searching for a simple way to organize your contacts, track deals, and automate your workflow all in one place, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know how to turn Monday.com's flexible boards into an efficient CRM, tailor-made for your needs. All right, let's dive in. The very first thing you want to do is create your main contacts board. Give it a clear, recognizable name. Something simple like Contacts works perfectly. Naming your board isn't just about looking tidy. It's about making sure you and anyone else on your team always knows where to start. Just imagine opening Monday.com in a rush and immediately spotting the right board. Saves you precious time. Once that's set, let's customize your CRM to really fit your business. Start by adding columns to your board. You might want columns for phone numbers, email addresses, deal value, or current status. Each column gives you a different layer of information. So think of it like setting up a digital filing cabinet. For example, adding a deal value column helps you keep an eye on your most valuable opportunities, while status lets you spot which contacts need more attention. If you're not sure which columns to add, start with the basics. You can always tweak as your workflow evolves. Next, organize your contacts using groups. Create folders or sections for contacts with statuses like active or inactive. This is really important for sorting and scanning your list quickly. Imagine you're following up with leads from last week's networking event. You'll want to jump straight to active contacts without sifting through everyone. Don't worry if your groups change over time. Monday.com lets you reorganize super easily. Another little but mighty detail: rename your workspace to reflect your business name. If your workspace says Untitled Workspace or something generic, your team might get lost. Or worse, accidentally add contacts to the wrong place. Go ahead and update it so it matches your business, making identification a breeze, especially if you're collaborating with others. Now, let's start managing your data. Adding contacts is easy. You can type them manually, import a whole list from a CSV or Excel file, or use Monday.com's forms to collect leads straight from your website. If you have a stack of business cards, for example, take a few moments to import those contacts at once. If you're collecting leads online, the built-in forms save you tons of copying and pasting. Tracking deals is where your CRM starts to really shine. Monday.com includes a deals section. Here, you group deals by stage like active or closed won and link each deal with the relevant contact or account. It's a bit like sorting mail into different bins, so you always know what needs your attention and what's ready to celebrate. To get a full picture of your business relationships, create an accounts board. This lets you add info about companies you're working with and link contacts and deals to them. So if you're juggling multiple deals for one client, it'll all be neatly organized in one spot. Now, let's talk about optimizing your workflow. Use the default Monday.com form, especially connected to your leads section. This way, every submission from your website lands right in your CRM, fully organized. No messy inboxes, no tabs to check. Take advantage of automations. For example, you can automatically move a lead to a new group when its status changes, or set up notifications for your team when a new deal is added. Automations act like your behind-the-scenes personal assistant, saving hours each week by doing repetitive tasks for you. Switch up your board views. Try the Kanban view to visualize lead status and progress, or a table view for that classic spreadsheet look. Different views help different brains process information, so use what feels comfortable. And finally, create dashboards to visualize all your progress. Add widgets like activity trackers and sales pipelines to stay on top of how your business is growing. Dashboards are perfect for team meetings or just to keep yourself motivated as you watch those deals close. And that's how you can transform Monday.com into your own custom CRM. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck growing your business with Monday.com.